Hey everyone, welcome to my video. I am so glad that you are here. I really think that this video is going to help you guys. I hope you enjoy. We are approaching the DMV. I'm gonna take a right turn into the parking lot and show you guys where I started. You can park literally anywhere. Be cautious. Honk if you have to if they're coming back too much. You don't want to have an accident in the parking lot on the day of your test. You gotta yield to people. Okay. So all these people, this is not your line. If you're here for the drive test, this is not your line. On the left of me, I can't show you because you're on a phone mount right now, but there's like 3 lines that you're supposed to go to. Up forward, if you could see, you're supposed to park in that white box and then reverse straight, and that's the parking portion of your test. And then you're gonna yield to people, stop behind the exit, make sure it's safe to go, put your right signal on because you're going to be taking a right turn. And you're gonna take a right turn when it is safe. No car, look to your left and right. Look over your shoulders every time you make a right turn, just for bikers and just anybody who might be coming forward. And then I was told to go straight. Go straight, past Baker. And then up front, I was told to make a right turn. Look over my shoulder, go into the bike lane if it's safe, and make a right turn on the green light. It's okay to go on a yellow light, but if you see it turn yellow and you're still at the end of the block, don't do it. I mean, in the middle of the block, just stop. And you may also go on a red light as long as you stop first, but you don't have to take that chance. Stop on all the stop signs, look left and right, and stop for at least 2 to 3 seconds, even if you know there's nobody there. So I went straight. The route I'm going is the route I took. Always be careful. Look left and right, look at your rear view mirror, look up front. I was told to just go straight unless she told me otherwise. Or if she gave me directions that required me to change lanes. Always keep your hands on the steering wheel, both your hands. Even if you're on brake, you gotta show that you're ready and in control just in case something happens. And always have a safe distance from cars. You don't want to tailgate anyone because you will have points cut off. Up front, she told me to make a left turn, so I turned on my signals, and there is a stop sign, so make a left turn after you stop, and you make a left when it's safe to do so. Make a stop. I came to the stop sign first, so I should go. Honk your horn when you need to, because if you go to the stop sign first, it's your turn to go. If someone tries to go, you honk the shit out of them. Always stop. Always stop before the stop line. Usually on where there's a stop sign, there's a stop line. You have to stop behind the stop line, but not too much behind. You kind of got to sense where the hood of your car is. And if there is no line, you stop behind the crosswalk. Look both ways, go when it is safe to go. So there is a taxi stop there, and I have to pass a car. So I'm going to turn on my left signal indicator, and I'm going to pass the car when it's safe to go do so, and then I'm going to go back in front of the car. On this second block, I was told to make a right turn. Turn on my signals. Again, it's safe to go on a red light as long as you stop first, but just to be safe, you can wait for the green light. Just like the car in front of me did. Look over your shoulders to the right, make your right turn when it's safe to do so. And then as soon as I made this right turn, she told me to change lanes to the left. Look left over your shoulders and change lanes when it is safe. And remember to turn off your turn signals, because when you change lanes, it does not turn off automatically. When I went on this second block right here, she told me that up front I would have to make a left turn. So I changed lanes to the left because I can't make a left turn unless I change lanes first. To be honest, I think the Corolla in front of me is actually taking a test right now, because I was also told to make a left turn right here on this block. I'm pretty sure the person in front of me is taking their test right now, because we've been going on the same route. So it's good. I really think so, because all the windows are pulled down and you have to have your windows pulled down. I think that was bad because that was on a red light.
Wait for the green light. Don't start your turn. Don't turn your steering wheel until you're sure that you can go. Because say that you cannot go and another car hits you, you're going to be pushed into the traffic. Oh. Do the signals work or not?
Okay. Let the cars go first. Go front. Go forward. And then make your left. Sometimes you have to go forward so people can pass you that's on the back that want to go straight.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that girl, I have to ask her, because they just took a left on, what is it called? Divisadero. Where's Divisadero? Here's the body. Oh my God.
Okay, so this part here was hard because my examiner told me that I have to make a left turn on Divisadero. And so I changed lanes. So either change your lane right here to the left or the block before, depending on where they tell you. And then I put on my left signal and I went when it was safe. I went to the lane that is closest to the crosswalk. Right now I'm on Golden Gate and Divisadero. I drove until Fulton Street and I was told to make a right turn. Sometimes if you don't know when to press the brakes, you can look at the car ahead of you. When their tail lights come on, you know it's your turn to press your brakes. Yeah, I thought the pedestrian was gonna walk. So, okay. So right here, I'm gonna make a right turn. Look over your shoulders to the right. Proceed with your turn when it's safe to do so. Make sure no one is trying to walk across. And then I was told to make a left turn ahead. So proceed with the left turn when it's safe to do so. It's safe to do so right now. The cars are very far away from me. We're almost to the end of our test. onto a complete stop. Look left and right. Make it obvious. Very obvious. Another stop. Go straight until we see the parking lot. Yeah, so that person did take the test because they just entered through the parking lot. Okay, so you're gonna put on your right signal. So this is where you enter. Look over your right shoulder and don't go over the curb, guys. And on the left is where students should park. On the left is reserved for students only. But anyways, I'm going to exit now and go home. So that was it. That's the test. And then you're probably going to drive out of the same parking lot with your license. I really wish luck to all of you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video really helped you guys. I hope that it was informative enough. I know you can do it. I know it. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you.